As the title says, my channel got monetized. Well, it got monetized 1 month ago, but I needed some numbers to present in the video. So thank you all who that are watching my videos and who made this thing possible. So I started to upload 4 years ago, or 4.5 years, and it was hell of a journey. But I started to upload more seriously 1 year ago, and as you can see, that's when things started to pop. Most of the viewers are from the United States, and the second spot is took by India, and unfortunately the majority of the viewers are not subscribed. So well, I think this is for most of the channels. And also we can see that the majority are between 25 and 44 years old. If we are looking at the total views in 2024, I've got 96,000 views, and in the last year I had 122k. If we are looking at lifetime, the total is 263k. So in the last year I got more than I got in the previous 3 years of uploading, and this is because I started to upload more in the last year. So this channel was born on November 3rd, 2020, and until now I posted 179 videos, and I've got a total of 267,000 views and 2,000 subscribers. Now, the estimated earnings that are shown here are not really how it goes. So I'll present the numbers that I made this month. The channel was not made in order to be monetized, because if it was so, I would reach this step much earlier. As I said, in the last year I made as much videos and views as I made in the previous 3 years. So this was not the plan, but this channel is born and it's still alive in order to pass on the knowledge that I have, and also the findings that I have, tech related, of course. So I think, of course, I guess that the majority of you are here for the real numbers, so the revenue. And as for the revenue, in the first month, because I was monetized on 6th of May and now it's 6th of June, one thing I should mention: you are not able to retrieve any money until you are reaching 100 bucks. So I have a long road until then. Currently my CPM is 5 bucks. So for every 1,000 views I should get 5 bucks, but it's not really the case. The CPU doesn't really work as it should, and I will tell you why. Because, for example, in 1 month, so this being the first month, I made 17 bucks. 17 bucks, taking into consideration that this month I had almost 14,000 views. This means 14,000 divided by 17, and means for every 800 views I'm getting $1. So the CPM is more like 1 rather than 5, which YouTube is predicting. I guess it's also related to the country you are in, but with 1 CPM it's not something ideal. I will continue to make videos because, as I said, this is not the purpose of the channel, but this is an update just for you to know how much money can you make on a with a channel like this. So it's about $17 per month. And I don't think it's a lot of money, but $17 multiplied by 12, it's $200 per year. It's not a lot, but it's something. So most probably in the near future I will try to change my microphone again, because this is what I promised. Once I will make some money out of YouTube, I will buy a new mic. Thank you all for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and see you in the next one. Cheers.